So sometimes I like to see multiple viewports at once when modeling. Very much like Maya, when you have those 4 screens and you have some orthographic views and your perspective view, you can see that in Blender. So I am in object mode, and you can be in object or edit mode, either one's fine. And then you go to View, Area, Toggle Quad View. This is how you see those different viewports at once in Blender. So now if I make changes, I can see how it affects my object in different angles, and this can be super useful for modeling or animation and all sorts of other things. So this is great, but how do I get rid of it if I just want my perspective back? Well, same deal, just go to View, Area, back to Toggle Quad View, and that will take me back to one viewport. So that's awesome. What if I wanted to split screen? Well, that's doable as well. Go to View, Area. Let's go to vertical split screen. You can also do horizontal. I'll just do vertical for the example, and you'll get this moving line, and then you left select on your mouse to decide where you want that split to go. So here we are. We've got it. Very nice. I'm happy to be able to work in 2 screens at once. But what if I want only one back again? Well, if I want to close one out, I select in that viewport that I want to close, go to View, Area, Close Area. And now I only have the one left over that I didn't close out. So that's awesome. What if I want to split my screen really quickly? Well, that's a little tricky and it takes some finesse, but you'll get used to it after practicing. You go to the top corner and you'll get that cross. You don't have to actually go to the top corner. You can go to any corner where you get the cross. I just happen to like to do it over here. And now you hold down the left mouse button and you kind of pull downwards at an angle. So I'm going to pull down to the left. Oh, that's not it. If you get this arrow, it's going to move one into the other. So I'm going to very subtly try to get rid of this. Okay. I find this very tricky. There we go. If I pull down, now I have a split screen. So I'm going to do it again. You can pull to the side, split screen, just like that. You can also pull to take over another viewport. So say I want this one to take over down here. I just get my little cross and pull. And once you get that arrow, you see that it starts to take over. So I'm going to have this one where I'm zoomed in, become the only viewport. I'm going to dominate. I don't know what wording to use here, but I'm going to take over this viewport. So I'm going to pull it on top. So I get that cross going and then, oh, it's not letting me. There it goes. I've got the arrow. It's pulling on top and there it is, my whole viewport. So the dragging can be a little tough and takes a lot of getting used to. I'm still getting used to it. But all of those ways are different ways to get your viewport to change and to see multiple screens at once. And I hope this helped you guys. I'm transitioning from Maya, so I'm still learning myself, but I have a whole playlist about different things that I found useful in Blender if you're a Maya user. So join me on my adventure while I get used to Blender.